Namaste, I'm Shweta and I'm an Ayurveda doctor. I welcome you to the Shri Shri School of Yoga YouTube channel. During Diwali, our homes are filled with delicious treats from laddus and burfis to jalebis and kaju katlis. But once the celebration settles, many of us feel bloating, heaviness, acidity or that sluggish post-sugar crash. Ayurveda beautifully reminds us what you eat, how you eat, and when you eat can either be your medicine or your poison. So today, let's understand how to manage your gut and sugar levels the Ayurvedic way while still enjoying your festive sweets. Imagine this, Diwali sweets are like a delightful fireworks show, a burst of flavor, richness and color. But just like fireworks need careful handling, so does our intake of sweets. Ayurveda teaches us that balance is the key. When you eat a lot of sugary, heavy foods, the digestive fire called Agni can be overwhelmed, which means food isn't broken down properly, leading to sluggish digestion or sugar imbalance. What you might recognize as sudden energy crashes or cravings after sweets. Sugar floods your system quickly and can disturb the balance of your blood sugar, sometimes leading to that cranky or tired feeling afterwards. Have you noticed how some people might get quick spike in energy right after sweets but then crash too soon? That's your body sugar's balance reacting very quickly. It's like reviving a car engine hard in first gear. It gives a burst but can't maintain smooth running. Overconsumption of sugar leads to several well-documented adverse effects. Excess sugar intake contributes to insulin resistance, which disrupts blood glucose regulation. It also promotes chronic inflammation. Sugar creates imbalances in fluid metabolism and encourages fat accumulation, contributing to metabolic disorders and general energetic dullness. So, think of your digestive system like a campfire. If you add too much wet wood at once, the fire smokes and struggles to burn. In the same way, overloading on sweets can dampen the digestive fire. Here are some Ayurveda tips which will help you. Moderation is your best friend. Enjoy your sweets but listen to your body's signals. Engage your Agni by sipping warm water or herbal teas like ginger, pepper, cumin, carom seeds or cinnamon after enjoying sweets to assist digestion. And this will also maintain hydration without dampening your Agni. Take a small, fresh piece of ginger with rock salt and chew it before or after your meals so that your gut can handle the richness of sweets. Balancing the heavy sweets with lighter foods like fresh fruits or lightly spiced salad, which can aid digestion and prevent feeling overly stuffed or lethargic. You can use any of these: cumin powder, coriander powder, ginger powder, pepper powder. Don't forget movement. A gentle walk after your feast helps keep the digestion fire and sugar levels steady. Before reaching for that second piece of laddu, take a breath and ask, am I still hungry or I just want to enjoy the taste, and take a mindful step. Savoring each bite fully keeps us satisfied and helps us to avoid overindulgence. Chew it, just be with your sweet and enjoy your sweet to the fullest. Devvati, Triphala or Haritaki are excellent Ayurveda herbs that support and improve digestive health. You can plan a post-Diwali detox, a Panchakarma treatment as well to remove all the toxins which are accumulated due to excessive sweet indulgence. Remember, these holistic practices are about loving your body. Embrace the spirit of Diwali by celebrating with awareness, honoring your digestion and nurturing your well-being along your sweet indulgence. Happy Diwali!